sure they have some dignity and
still
everything that's up to them. But like, yeah, that's what I do.
I'm a bit tired, but you
Where
know.
liquor there?
So all my equipment is in England.
Where liquor there? How have you liquor?
The plan was I didn't know if I was going to...
Talk to them about your birthday party and you celebrate it. See Fire Sound.
My son
See Fireside Sound and just
Fireside.
tell me how I play. How Zabrick play?
Oh my, it was
I don't like
lit.
this area to lit. You get me?
For real. So how was the party today? How was the party? How was the party, Candice? Candice, how was the party?
I live in Ironshaw right
She into
now.
Lily ranking.
How was our party?
She a Lily ranking.
Birthday girl. How was the party?
Nowhere yet
How was the
as one
party?
Ironshaw for me in Jamaica. Do you know what I mean? Like
my
only
God.
grill
The party
and then
was
place.
lit.
It's nice.
It's
When
her
you wake
birthday
up,
too.
when I
She's
look
from
up, I've got a
London.
little veranda.
She's from
Yeah,
London.
She's
Small
a
veranda.
friend.
She's from London.
Yeah, she's from London.
But when I see my small veranda,
No,
it's only a little free thing, small.
Like them
can put
pretty no
two
blood
chairs and a
clad.
table. God know, right? No lie. God know, yeah. I'm not joking, right?
Candice, that's Lily ranking.
My son Tafari.
No word of a lie. God know, yeah.
That's awesome. Gangster.
I swear,
You understand?
the place when I wake up there, I'm so happy in the morning.
Who come out at party?
Tafari, I'm earth strong and it was this day I gave birth. I wanted to say this.
If I had my phone, I could show you
closing.
pictures. Send
We're
you
going
photo.
to get some. We were tired
Sun
of place and
charge at
everything.
home,
You don't
and
know,
the
it's
charger
sweet
is so-
16.
Fireside Sound and no joke thing, yeah.
Awesome.
We invest in a microphone and bag of something.
It's pretty, man.
Thanks
It's
again.
really, really
It's
nice.
it's a milestone for me, and it's a
The lady where I live,
growth.
it was
Next generation.
Proud of you, say, mama, I'm glad now.
God.
Much Galaxy Goddess.
What happened? I met Keith.
Big up all the supporters, all the artists that came
where
out,
we stay to
and
live,
Michelle just look for
I
it on
was there.
Fireside.
Vivo.
I met
Vivo,
this
everything.
woman,
And
man
yeah,
and
it
woman,
was
you know.
sign the artist. I forgot
I
his
was at
production,
my
but it's
son's
awesome
house
as
prior
well.
to that for like a
Yeah,
week.
and basically,
like,
Yard Bra TV from London, my
Not for me,
brother-in-law,
yeah, you know, I
my
need to
sisters, them
move,
that
move,
really
move.
give me
I
a
can't stay here. I wanna
spontaneous
live in Jamaica, but not
support.
here.
So
Let me
never,
see if
sorry,
I'm
I did
anywhere.
not get the chance to
So,
tell everyone who loved me
I
and some who
booked
do
something on
not.
booking.com.
But next
But
year.
you don't know, I love you all.
Same price
Galaxy
as
Goddess,
Goddess booked for tonight.
Yard
Yeah,
and
God
Bra,
knows.
Fireside.
Sniper come shell it, Gucci man. Gucci boss.
Gucci boss
I
is
died in
awesome, you
good
know.
heaven.
Gucci, you know,
Not kiss.
everything Gucci, not kiss.
The
When I
place.
tell you, it was awesome.
Sign.
G,
Wow.
Sniper, Sign,
I was
all of
like,
them, all the artists that
Oh,
came
Lord,
out.
Father God, is it
You
where you brought
understand?
me today?
It
Wow.
was awesome.
So people, we can move on to Candice.
So the man now, he told me it's
My
his family,
dad,
blah, blah. He
my
can do
dad,
a backhand
my brother,
with
my
me.
daddy
stay,
from West
so they
Manhattan,
were
him
like,
started.
He
You
said he
remember
can
that?
keep me until January.
It was
the end of
awesome,
January, because
nice.
people's not back as long as I'm giving him that money in the back. You get me? Cause it was meant
Where
to be
you
like
at now?
120 a week
Listen,
or whatever
Where
it
party
was.
I was?
He was charging me like 500 English, yeah, for like, which is like what, 100 grand, is it? Yeah, he charged me for 3 months. I was like, what? Swimming pool. Hold on.
Come, we gotta go.
I had the whole place to myself because
Candice
nobody's
talk.
there. I felt like I was living like
she's
queen
not
round
talking.
here, yeah, for 3 months as well.
What
You
is?
can't get-
That's sweet.
Liquor.
Next thing I had to be up an American man.
What is Smirnoff?
The man, right, pervert, paedophile. A
Where
couple
that
of them
burn
came.
them?
There were young girls and stuff, but this one particular, there was a girl, long story, but there was top and bottom. He took off his towel, wound it up and whacked me with it and called me nigger, God knows, at the top of his voice. Blah, blah. So my man, Romario, must have let me stay for these 5 bills. He thought to himself, well, you've already done your 5 bills. What would it have been 5 bills a month? Do you know what I mean? Not 3 months.
That's a Galaxy
But
Goddess.
they're giving him money.
I close nearly blind me today.
They don't even know.
People look out for this Spanish channel,
They
you
do
know.
not know.
Fireside
Oh,
Vivo.
God knows.
Why Jabreds? You don't tell them what tell Jabreds.
I saw 2022 look.
You never tell Jabreds.
So he's peeing
I
off
can't
them.
get him.
So he was
I
like,
tell Eiley
he
Chud and
them,
all
I
of
was
them.
like,
So
how
I
can you
just tell
defend
them,
someone
tell all
that's
I'm
of them.
not like.
Me
I drop a ice samaj. Yeah, ice samaj don't play. Me drop.
Ice Samaj, you were
Very bad
awesome.
because him,
You see
yeah,
that
yeah, you get
sick
me.
there?
So me,
Right
that's
now,
why
me have
I'm
some in
feeling
the
kind
pot
of
with me go
proud
warm, but what
because
daddy
of
not
them
drink
reasons
you
how
have.
people-
So
me
me
and
not get
the
no
rest
ice
of the
samaj
fuck
sip.
come out,
Oh, you mean you not get no
it's
sip?
Me must say me have a brand in a Zaba grabber, you know.
The
somebody that
Ital,
calling me
the
every time
Ital
is
part
the
of
same
what
man
they
as
say.
me.
Me not get no sip.
Just because you
Ice
get
samaj them
money
I
for
carry
it.
vexation.
No. I try to say, come on.
Me no know me do them artists. Watch you know. Me no know when me do them artists. And me help them. Can me vice them.
It was awesome.
I Identical are my friend.
Oh my God.
But
I want you know, and the reunited vibes between me and Arrow General. Cause guess what, me and him never deal. Cause him say, he make a speech, but me never like it in a dance hall. Him say, any other side of the wrong side, you know, Arrow side. No, but me say Fireside, want to genocide, you know, rate massacre. Any other side of the wrong side, me never like that. So me hate him. But you make me rate him.
Well, you
Big up
see,
yourself.
only on the iKeeper show, United with Fireside, the other brought TV, you see what it takes to take Arrow General and Zabrick to unite, and iKeeper's Earth Strong. Yeah, man, it's you don't know. So
He might call me name and me I call him name. Big
the
up.
same thing me I say, you know. We are talk, this is very raw. I same thing, those are medicine I was looking out for you.
One team.
And that me I show you when
Me and those are medicine have nothing.
Because at the end of the day, you know, say, even if we have some little vibes, we all do that with the siblings in my home. So music is very passionate to Zabrick and you, and I know, but
I know fun me take it for dog.
yeah.
Everything me take it for fun.
Yeah, so let's see. Do the music. I mean, I never understand how you're not forward and it's the same month we're born and you're always there. So
And Islanders.
Islanders straight to Gaza to see it. Solo, Empire, no solo. And I'm not more so not take it to the world like
Just make a brand.
This is how 2022 look.
You have to make a brand.
This is how 2022 look.
You can this have our brand there.
So I was like, I'm gonna have to, you get me? So I found somewhere that's very nice. I was, please, Father God, don't bring me from iron shop.
My friend talking to my future wife.
When he took me to Tower Hill,
All of them
no,
My friend. This is how my friend talk to my future wife. He's a guidance counselor.
Wow, this program is hard.
Lele, aka guidance counselor.
No, I'm not joking. So while going then, I ended up going to this man's house. I had no charge on my phone, no SIM card, nothing. Call nobody. Where am I going? But I met this man.
So Candice, how couldn't get you this evening though?
Yeah, seriously, what happened?
Put the car in a park. How couldn't get you this evening?
My phone's off right now.
So you couldn't charge it from morning?
But thank you, girl.
Mr. Worry, me call you. You know see me call you?
I never seen
Because
it
my
because my
mother,
phone's
never
still off.
see her.
Hey, me tell you with you. You see you?
Make it possible.
You is a star. You is a star, you know. Candice, eh? Candice, you is a star, you know. You are a star. Galaxy, what you say about her?
She's awesome. Sister. How much she just tried 2 wheels on
I have this, but I don't have cigarette.
Only English girl, gangster in the street of Jamaica. So
Why
we
you
should have a
blazing off
movie on her, you know?
gas?
Hello.
Let's move,
I
man.
want to
Right, it's after
movie,
one.
so we should start.
You ready
shooting.
for
Normally,
ready?
Yeah. We need a movie.
Hello, tonight is your birthday. Don't say normally.
My birthday's gone.
It is. We're still celebrating.
Let the ranking. Can you just sing a song? Can you sing a song for her? You can sing a song for her?
Well, we're doing this, so we can go. I need to go and clean up my face.
Alright, I'm ready. Let the ranking. Big up your channel, Fireside Vivo.
Yeah.
Firesyde Vivo.
What? No, that not sound good.
You know what I'm saying?
Ready. Spanking Barbershop.
Firesyde Vivo. At Spanking Barbershop.
Nice.
This is the ranking. The top of the top. Right?
Right. Uncut.
Pick up Kiefer.
Lele, I want to hear Annie.
You
Uncut.
always a do it about Kiva.
No,
iKeeper Galaxy Goddess, the baddest 2022
iKeeper.
shine.
Yo,
Keep
let's
Sir,
try.
look how 2022 look
Big
again.
up
Show
yourself.
them. Show them
Keep the
how
artist party
2022
Ikeeper.
Zabrick.
Later.
Party.
Zabrick. Show them how 2022 look. See him say it look.
And see sound there. Enough bumbleclaw artists a chat and don't have a sound.
Straight working.
That me I tell you. Ready now. See laptop in my bag. Eh?
Where is that?
Lele, me no know Whistler.